Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Noot BRC20 token. Now, when I first saw this token come out a week or two ago on CoinMarketCap, I did not feel like doing a video on it because I've already done a video on the original Noot token. And then why would I do another Noot video with a token with the exact same name? But, you know, BRC20 tokens are becoming slightly more and more popular every single day. These are the Ordinal tokens. A lot of them are listed on Gate. And so, yeah, I just did a video yesterday, a live stream about BRC20 tokens. Check that video out if you don't know what BRC20 tokens are. But they have Pepe BRC. They have a bunch of meme tokens on BRC20. And now they have the Noot token on BRC20. And the token was going down for a while. And so that's another reason why I didn't want to do a video on it. But now it's getting a little bounce back here. It's up 7.9% today. If you look at the overall chart, it's kind of steadily climbing back up a little bit. So it was going down for a while, but today it's looking all right. And that's probably because BRC20 tokens are becoming a little more popular. So here we are. We're going to review the BRC20 Noot token, ticker symbol Noot. And just be aware that, you know, this is obviously not the famous Noot token. I did do a video on that token, though, if you want to check that out. I'll try to remember to link it at the end of this video. But yeah, we're going to go over this video in 1 second and how you can get it. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Noot BRC20 token. So nootcoin.com is their official webpage. Noot is the ticker symbol. Again, if you look it up on CoinMarketCap, make sure it says BRC20 or it is not this token that I'm talking about. It's up 16% right now. It says circulating supply right now is 1 billion Noot tokens, which is 100% of the tokens. So max and total supply is also 1 billion tokens. 24-hour trading volume is about $85,000. Fully diluted market cap, $795,000. And market cap, $697,000. So the chart is having a little bounce back, but it was on a steady decline for a while. So it says this token, somebody posted in the comments 21 hours ago that this token will be listed on MEXC Global soon. No, they're talking about the original Noot token. So if you want the original Noot token, it is listed on MEXC Global. And I did do a video on that token. I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. But these BRC20 tokens, they only have a few listing spots so far because they are just brand new, hot off the press. So this token specifically has 2 central exchange listings. So you can get the Noot BRC20 token off of Gate.io or XT.com. So you'd either download XT or Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, get it on your PC, go into the trade section, search Noot. Obviously make sure it is the BRC20 token. And then simply just buy the token. So those are the 2 exchanges. Gate has a lot of the BRC20 tokens listed on there, like Pepe BRC and Ordi and a few others. So yeah, check out that live stream I did yesterday where I talk about the BRC20 tokens if you're interested in that. Now, if you go over to nootcoin.com, they also have a how to buy section you can check out. They have a buy now button that'll take you over to Unisat, which is going to be basically that's kind of like the pancake swap for BRC tokens. So Pancake Swap is for BSC, and then Unisat is for BRC20 tokens. So it shows you how to buy off the decentralized exchange on their webpage here. So Noot, the coolest penguin-inspired meme coin on the blockchain. While their other animal coins have had their moment in the sun, it's time for penguins to take the lead on the Bitcoin blockchain. So embark on a popular adventure with Noot, the penguin-inspired meme coin on the BRC20 platform. Experience the excitement of cryptocurrency investing with a frosty twist, as Noot combines the allure of Antarctic with the fascinating world of digital currencies. With Noot, you can appreciate the captivating charm of penguins alongside the innovation of blockchain technology. It's a unique and enjoyable way to engage in the crypto community. Join us as we navigate the icy waters of the crypto landscape and explore the wonders of Noot. Be part of a cool and frosty journey. Waddle with us today. So it says how to buy. So basically, if you're going to buy it off the decentralized exchange Unisat, it's a kind of a weird way. So it says create a Taproot Unisat or Xverse wallet. So you would do that by going over to unisat.io. That's their webpage. So you'd create a wallet there. Load up Bitcoin to your Unisat Taproot address. So it is these tokens, again, I explained it in the live stream yesterday, but these are basically Ordinal tokens that are on the Bitcoin blockchain. They're NFTs inscribed onto Satoshis. Very, very strange idea, but I mean, it's a new thing. It's also a very, very risky because there's not long-term. This is very brand new, these BRC20 tokens. So yeah, and then it says visit Unisat or Ordinal wallet to buy off the market at unisat.io/market. So it gives you step-by-steps how to get this. Tokenomics. With a full 100% of the tokens fairly distributed among the eager community, the Noot BRC20 token is all about transparency and enjoyment. There are no hidden supplies or murky dealings here. To top it off, we've got 0% tax policy, making Noot a true meme coin for the people. So, yeah, it says 100% of the tokens fairly distributed. It has a pie chart, which is just one big giant circle. So, I mean, that was kind of unnecessary. But yeah, there are communities you can check out here. They have the Twitter. They have a Telegram. So their Twitter here is at BRC20 Noot on Twitter. And on there, you can learn about new updates, what's their new listing sites, things like that. So far they only have 559 followers. They just joined in May 2023. 106 tweets, though. So a lot of information on their Twitter here. It says Noot is deployed for fun, no roadmap or utility, just Noot. And then they have, actually it's a Discord link that they have, not a Telegram. So on their, it doesn't seem like they have a Telegram, just a Discord, a Twitter, and a webpage. So check it all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.